Hey, what's up guys? This is going to be a really quick video showing you how I set up my chip holders with replacement chips for the 7820 and the 7840. So for this you're going to need a glue gun, chip holders, and replacement chips that you either purchased online or that you've harvested from original Epson cartridges. The replacement chips are already set up to go onto these chip holders without modification, and they only go in one way, but if you're using the original Epson chips, you may still have to cut or file down that bottom post on the front of the chip holder to get the chip to lay flat. So we're just going to put some glue around the area where the chip sits, and then we're going to put it onto the chip holder and then press it into place. Again, it can only go in one way, so you really can't mess this up when you're using the replacement third-party chips. Just line up the notches of the chip with the posts on the chip holder. Once the chips are glued to the chip holder, we'll let them cool down for a few minutes. Then I'm just going to use my fingernail and clean up any excess glue buildup around the chip. I'm going to color the front of the plastic to match the color of the replacement chip. And now the next time we have to replace the cartridge, all we have to do is fill the cartridge that's low or empty and replace the chip holder. Okay, so here's a cartridge that just came out of the printer that was giving us this low, this ink level here, this black ink level. Now I've already refilled the cartridge with ink, so now we need to change the chip out. But instead of just changing the chip, we're going to change the entire chip holder here. So what we're going to do is just grab the chip holder from the top, and we're just going to pull back. Then we're going to pull back, and then we're just going to slide down. It's going to come right off of the cartridge. So then here's the new one that we created. We've already marked it black, so we know it's the black one. We're going to insert this little plastic piece right here on the bottom of the chip holder on the back side. It's going to go into this slot. It's a little channel here with a groove. We're going to slide that into that groove. And then you just push up and it snaps into place. And so now here's our chip, new chip onto the cartridge that's filled. So we go from there, and we'll just go ahead and place it into the printer. And it's lit back up, so we know that it's recognized the chip that's on the cartridge now. So we'll go ahead and close it down. Okay, so once it's done initializing, we'll go ahead and click OK. Or it'll OK out by itself. Then we can just go to the supply status screen, and we can see that the black is replenished now. So that's how I go ahead and pre-make my chip holders with the chips on them already, so that it's an easy process when it's time to change the cartridges out or replace the cartridge. Alright, so thanks for checking out the video. I still haven't heard anything new about a chipless firmware for this model. Apparently it's still in development. But if you're tired of waiting, there are other wide format options available. For example, here is the newest one of the newest EcoTank models, the ET8550. And we'll be setting this one up for sublimation printing soon with the Dynamite Gorilla ink, so stay tuned for that. We'll also be setting up an XP15000 soon. So again, thanks for checking out the video. I hope it helps out. Until next time, good luck and good night.